Look at these colors, ladies and gents. Welcome, welcome. This is just gonna be a short video. I'm on my way to the bathroom after many hours of filming, so I'm just using every second of the day to film. It could be look. Wrestling. Yeah, beat him up. I'm joking. Look, Bollywood movies. Oh my gosh. As I said, it's gonna be a few minutes, guys. I'm just using every second of the day. Whew, it's hectic. I'm looking for toilets, as I said. Let's see if we can spot it easily or if I have to ask. But potentially that's where it was, where the girls were. Let's see. In any case, we are gonna stretch this to, let's say, 4 or 5 minutes, and I'm gonna turn back. So today's Saturday, 4th of Feb. I'm guessing 4 p.m. or something like that, 4 or 5. Sorry. So I'll be filming some more. But as I said, it's good to take a break. Sorry. Busy. Guys, it's insane how many people there are. Insane. It's very overwhelming. looks like a busy, sketchy area a little bit, you know what I mean? A lot of people. All sorts of people. So one has to watch out. So yeah, I assume this is gonna be where the toilet is. I don't know. Anyway, ladies and gents, I'm gonna end it here. Let me look for the toilet. Thank you, bye.